What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we got another one of these 5 things videos because it has been too long since I've walked through random doors. So today we've got the top 5 things you probably didn't know about TIS wheels. So the first thing that you probably didn't know about TIS wheels is they actually basically came from nowhere and then suddenly exploded, mostly in part to the 544, which you've probably seen. It comes in the black and milled finishes, the chrome finishes, we've got an exclusive red and milled finish, but these guys have actually been around for a long time, you just probably never heard of them. So I think one of the main reasons why TIS became so popular so quickly is because they actually listened to their customers. They did things that people were asking for, like having no rivets and having some smooth, clean milling and making cast wheels that look just like forged ones. So another thing you probably don't know about TIS is what TIS actually stands for, and that's 20 inches strong. And you might be wondering, well, where did that come from? The thing is, back in the day when TIS was super popular, a lot of times in the car world, 20 inches was considered absolutely freaking huge. So TIS actually also had a partnership with Monster way back in the day, and you could actually get TIS wheels with the Monster logo on it, and even in fact still today, the 543B you can get with that Monster center cap. So if your name's Kyle and you're looking for wheels, you're going to want to check out TIS. You might also not know that TIS actually has an entire forged lineup, as you can obviously see here by TIS Forged. So this is the F51 black and milled version, and then they also have the full polished one too, because if you're going full forged, you gotta go full polished. So not only just this style, but they also have the F50, which is more of this like classic 5-spoke forged wheel as well. So not just the cast lineup, they also have forged if you're really looking to go high end, spend a little bit of extra money, and have wheels that not everybody else has. The last thing that you probably don't know, in fact, I know you don't know about TIS, is that you can actually get a set for free right now. So as you can tell, we've got this sick hoodie that I'm wearing, and it supports breast cancer research. So if you come on out to customoffsets.com/giveaway, that's where you find this hoodie, and you pick that up, you get automatically entered to win. So if you want to get entered to win, do that. Please, it's awesome. Plus you help us make a contribution to breast cancer research, which is also super cool. We're happy to help out there. And then yeah, you get a chance to win the free wheels, plus we'll throw in some free Turo tires too if you want to do that whole shebang. But if you just can't wait and you want to just get the wheels now, you can get those at customoffsets.com. Peace.